Hey there, future coder. Welcome to Shift 101 IT Workshop. So, how do we actually code it? Let's get started with our program. Step 1.
Create a new file and name it try_except.py. In this file, we will create a Python program that illustrates exception handling.
Step 2. Write your code.
We will use the try_except construct to catch and handle errors gracefully.
Step 3. Run your program. You should see the output displayed on your screen.
Thank you for learning Python with Shift 101.
Be sure to follow us
On all our social media platforms.
To stay updated with more IT workshops.
Keep
Keep
learning,
learning,
keep
keep
coding.
coding.